We started today thinking it would be just another trail drive, but by the end, we'd be walking through an abandoned cabin deep in the wild and chasing a waterfall in the desert. Come roam with us. Morning.
Morning.
We just packed up camp. Haven't had breakfast yet. I think we'll stop somewhere along the way and eat something.
Give us a break, kind of get out for a minute and have some breakfast in maybe about an hour or so.
Yeah. We had some bad storms last night, but we were up in the tent, so we were fine.
Yeah. It did rain though when she was trying to cook dinner. And out came the awning real quickly again, just like it did last time. When we were in Florida, and it did that. Trying to hurry up. And of course we're up here in the middle of nowhere. Just at the end of a spur road that doesn't go anywhere anymore. And when two side-by-sides show up, and we are out there, like we're not anywhere near where all the campers, such as pool trailers and drivable people, can actually get to. That's down the mountainside. But so we got a route change today.
Again. Because there's road closures. But we're going to try to stick as close as we can to the original route.
Yeah.
And meet it back up.
Yeah. So we're going to head on out of here, which, I mean, we didn't know anything about this area. It's pretty straightforward for service roads, and then you have your spur road split-offs that might be a little more on the difficult side. But other than that, it's pretty easy to get up here, just based on all the vehicles that we've seen up here.
Yeah.
But so we're gonna head into Wyoming again and kind of come out of here, go up north, head into Wyoming again, and then take that west and try to get. There's a gas station that I marked way out in the middle of nowhere. We'll probably need some fuel by the time we get over there, and then we can pick the trail up again there. And then we'll see how that goes. Don't know if there'll be more closures somewhere down the line or not. But
hopefully not. You can hear Buddy's ready to go. So
yeah, Buddy's barking, ready to go.
So let's head out and see what today brings.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Today's drive would push us a little harder. No clear map, just dirt roads and curiosity leading the way. We headed deep into the dense forest trails, tight turns, deep ruts, and mud patches. The trail narrowed, twisting like a vein through the woods. Then, unexpectedly, we spotted a cabin, old, weathered, seemingly abandoned. We parked and just had to check it out, and cautiously walked inside. Faded walls, no windows, and echoes of what once was. I could almost imagine what it was like waking up here and stepping outside to take in that view. We are actually going to spray this thing off because it is filthy.
Yeah, that's what pretty much made me. The shower cube is going to be a disaster trying to get that open.
Yeah.
With all that.
It's a disaster just trying to get into the Jeep right now.
Yeah, that's what makes it fun.
So since we live in it right now, we gotta be able to not get filthy all the time. Just trying to get in and out. We're gonna spray it off. Not wash, just spray off. There's big chunks of mud everywhere. Back end looks good. I don't want to waste it. Back to the Jeep we kept rolling, leaving the forest behind and heading into the desert terrain. The shift was fast. Trees faded, sand and rock took over.
And check out the view. That lonely road out there is where we're headed. I don't know where it's going to take us, but it's one hell of a view. No, you're not that far off the road, but still a pretty nice view. Turnoffs, a couple side tracks, but all in all, actually had been fairly simple drive today. This has probably been like the most rough.
It's not even that rough compared to other days.
No.
We did see a bunch of wild horses out here.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool.
We woke up in a cool forest, mud everywhere.
Yep.
To now being in the desert and sand everywhere.
Yes. Still dirt, just a different kind.
So it's way
Trails love pooping on the road. I will say that.
Oh, nope. We missed a turn.
I didn't even see a road.
Me neither, so hopefully it's back there. Backing up again.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a series on how to back up on trails. Because I do a lot of backing up on trails. Even if it's something I pass, and then I want to go back and look at it. So allegedly there's a road up here.
Yeah, we went kind of far past it. Hopefully it's there. Otherwise we'll be changing again. Keep going.
Well, I can turn around right here. So.
Okay.
But what I think I'll say is there's a lot of what looks to be like spur roads out in this area that are just no longer there.
Yeah, we couldn't even see where you could see them off in a distance.
Yeah, but
Not from the road we were on.
yeah, sometimes from the road they're really hard to.
So keep going. It should be right about here.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, right here somewhere there's supposed to be a split off.
I don't see it.
I do not see it either.
Now we've passed it.
Well,
Okay, so hold on while we reroute somehow.
we could take the safe bet and just go back, pick up that road, and then pick up the trail right there.
Yeah, that'd probably be best.
Because we don't know if any of those roads exist either.
Since there's been so many that haven't. Yeah. All right. Here we go.
Yeah, I mean, unless I see it here in a split second, but I do not see any trail.
Nope.
All right. Huh?
Nope. Backward we go.
I guess we'll catch up with you guys later.
Yeah.
Tell you how things are going.
A steep incline loomed ahead. I always get a little nervous with these drop-offs, but we made it through just fine. A little further on, we found a pretty solid campsite. We marked it for future trips, but today we kept pressing on. And then randomly driving down the road, suddenly out of the corner of our eyes, we spotted water. Off in the distance, flowing down a canyon wall. Against all odds, a waterfall in the middle of the desert. A contrast was surreal, dry rock and then flowing water. Of course, we had to get out and explore it.
It's cold.
We kept driving after that, heading toward a nearby nature preserve, but the bugs swarmed fast. So we cooked dinner, climbed into the tent, and called it a night. No video or photos for this final spot this time, but during a different season, it'd be a great place to camp. Thanks for coming along with us. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like and subscribe button and let us know in the comments what's been your favorite unexpected find on an adventure. And stay tuned for the next episode as we push even further off grid and may have a few surprises coming soon.